Hi guys, how you doing? It's David here. Over the last couple of days I've been asked a lot about kind of screen recording and delivering digital content from various media. So what we're going to look at now is we're going to look at recording a PowerPoint. We all have PowerPoints. We can record it and record a voiceover and such. So first thing you'll notice is up here at the top we don't have a recording button. So it's very hard to know that recording is even possible. So that's the first thing we'll do. We'll click on File over here. We'll go all the way down to the bottom to Options. And then this is our ribbon. So what we're going to do is we're going to customize the ribbon. And then up here, File, Home, Insert, Draw, etc. These are called our main tabs. So we're going to select our main tabs and scroll down. And there's recording. So we'll click on recording and click OK. So now we have a recording window up here. There's the recording tab. So if I select that, now we have a whole ream of tools available to us. Okay? First things first, recording the slideshow straightforward, record from current slide, record from beginning. Forms, we can, as you know, we can embed forms, screenshots. Screen recording will allow us to record other media. So if you had a Word document, we'll say you wanted to record, you can use that tool. The thing is, it will record the last window open. So what I would suggest is if you had a Word document or a OneNote PowerPoint or OneNote or whatever it is you want to share, open that first and then go back to your PowerPoint and click screen recording and it will automatically open up on that. Save as show, export the video and publish the stream we'll get back to in a little while. Alright, so let's record this. This is just a Mickey Mouse PowerPoint thing that I just threw together. Okay, so we will select record from beginning and here we go. So this is our recording window. You'll notice it's a little bit different, right? There are a couple of different tools. So we have a record button, stop, replay. This is how we access any notes that we might have in our PowerPoints. We can make them bigger, smaller and so on. Clear any annotation, clear recordings on all slides. If we realise that we've made a bags of it, we can change it. These are our video settings, microphone settings. Down here at the bottom is important. First time I gave this a go, my microphone was muted. Alright, so once your microphone is muted, you're kind of goosed. And I have to go back and do the whole thing again. So just make sure that that's set. You can switch on your camera. Hi, how are you guys? I don't tend to, for fairly obvious reasons. Alright, so we can select record. We get a little countdown as you would from any screen recorder. And here we go. So hi guys, welcome to LMETB IT Services. Here's a quick overview of the services that we provide. And we use our buttons over here on the left and right to navigate between the two. We have highlighters, so if we want to highlight, actually we'll use a brighter colour and highlight a particular section. We can, let's change the colour of that. Alright, so we can highlight particular sections. We can write on it for those of you who are good with writing with a mouse. I clearly am not, but you get the idea. Alright, and then we can rub it out and so on and so forth. You'll notice also that our buttons have changed so we can pause our recording. This is particularly important. If we press pause now, we can check our notes on a particular subject, and then when we're ready, once we're sure that we're on the right track, we can reselect record and it's going to continue like we were never away. Alright, so once we're done and we're happy enough, we've scrolled through all of our training materials, we can just click stop. Alright, and that's us. So it's going to bring us back then, so we can just close that. And you'll notice on our PowerPoint now we have a little audio track. Okay, that's just there as part of the makeup of our document now. It just means the audio that I spoke on each of the slides is now available as an audio track, just like dropping in any audio file into a PowerPoint. Alright, once we're all done, our next options then are where we want to put it. So we can export to video, which I tend to do. So if we select export to video, we can select the quality. You know, it's up to you. Medium quality will be fine. And create video. So we'll just tell it where to go. Create video. I will save this in desktop and click save. And it's just going to record and save as a video. You can see it happening down here in the bottom of the screen. I tend to put everything into stream, which is up here. So if we were to publish the same thing into stream, then what would happen is, as Office 365 users, you all have access to stream. If you haven't looked at the stream LMETB IT channel, then I would. We have lots and lots of resources up there. If you have, please pass it on to your colleagues and give them an idea. So we name it, give it a description, who we want to see it, so just some basic permissions, and then publish. Alright, I'm not going to because it's still in the process of exporting the video. But for the time being, that's all we have for this session. Thanks for your time. I will follow up with more sessions later. Take care and stay safe.